In this video, we will use the Dawn Edit 2 software to load a custom DBC file that we've created ahead of time. Now, this is going to be something created by you or by another team member or some other development group. So go ahead and load up the Dawn Edit 2 software. Next, click on Make, Import DBC Database. So of course you're going to have a DBC file. I'm going to open one that I've already gotten, and then you're going to need to save it, and this is going to set up or create a configuration file for the Dawn Edit 2 software for future uses and for converting the .ios and the .gps files into raw readable formats for the human eye. As you can see, the DBC file was correctly imported. I can come over here and modify the label if I want. I can go to messages, parameters, it doesn't matter, but it effectively imports it with ease. Next, you can also use this to create a custom mini-logger config file. So if I browse, I'm going to write to GPS if you need to. It's only recommended for cellular. And then I'm going to save it here and click Create. If I come back to my directory, we can see in the config file that it's generated a new custom config file based on the information of the DBC that was provided. Thanks for watching.